Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can create donation link on PayPal. So let's jump right in. First, start by logging into your PayPal account. Once you're in, navigate to the top menu and select the Sales section. Scroll down, and you'll find an option labeled Donations. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be taken to a new page where you can begin setting up your donation link. Click the button that says Create a Link or Get a Link, and you'll be directed to a setup page. Here, you can choose how you'd like to receive donations, whether it's a one-time donation, monthly, or even annually. That choice is completely up to you, and you can also upload a logo, add an image, and include a short message to personalize your donation page and connect with donors. Once you're done, proceed to the next step. At this point, PayPal will ask you to select the currency you'd like to receive donations in. After choosing your preferred currency, you can decide how much donors can contribute. After this, you'll then see additional customization options. If you'd like, you can enable the feature to collect mailing addresses from donors. Once you've finalized everything, click Publish and PayPal will generate your donation link. You'll have the option to share the link directly or download a QR code, whichever is more convenient for your audience. If you open the link in a new tab, it will take you to a live donation page where people can immediately contribute to your cause. It's great that PayPal makes this process simple and user-friendly.